A lot of people think that without a stoning machine, there is no way you can stone your clothes at the comfort of your home. And people think that without a stoning machine, there is no possibility of giving that your beautiful clothes that beautiful effect you want. Have you gone out and you see stones on people's clothes and you wish you can stone your clothes like that, but you don't have a stoning machine? Yes, you can do it. Just go to market, get your stone, any color of stone that you want. Then come back at the comfort of your home. Once you have iron, whether local iron or steam iron, believe me, you can do it. Any style that you want, any design. It's just for you to use your hands and create that design you want on your cloth, and then use your iron to press it. Creation of styles on your cloth is done with your hand. It's not done with the machine. The machine only steams it and press the eye stones on it. So let's get started. Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Vivian. If you are new here, please help me subscribe to my channel. Hit the like button and turn on your notification button so whenever I post a video, you will get notified. So in today's video is about stoning your own clothes at home with your own iron. Yes, iron, not stoning machine. Iron does it better. So now, this is the stone. You can see me doing it. You can use anything to pick the stone, anything that will be comfortable for you. If you have this faucet, no faucet, you can use it. That one is very easy too. But I'm using eye pencil. Eye pencil is very easy too. I'm using eye pencil. Just make sure the mouth is not pointed. As you can see me doing so, I'm using eye pencil. So like I'm doing now, you put the stones on where you want it to be on your cloth. If your material is a plain material, you can use your hand to create pattern or how you want the stone to look. If you don't have any star on your head, if you don't have any idea, you can browse online about this stone. You will see different styles on clothes. You can use your hand to create it like I'm doing. So you have to pick the stones and drop it where you want it to be on the cloth. These are the stones. You can see it very fine, not quite expensive. You can buy any amount you want in the market. You can tell them to give you a portion of 100 naira, 200, 500. It depends on the quantity you want to buy. This one I got it about 150, I think, just more that I wanted for this station. After placing it on your cloth, that's when you now use your iron to press it. So guys, now after placing the stones on the place that you want it, if you have iron like this is called steam iron. For have iron like this, you know there's a space where you fill it up with water. You have to put water for it to steam very well. How you have to put water. Go ahead and fill it up with water. There is a gauge there. There is a maximum place that the water will reach. Don't allow water to pass there. Just gauge it very well and fill it up with water. When you're done, close the lid of the iron, then plug it and turn it on and allow it to heat a little. You can see it's already heating, like the water is boiling. It's heating as if the water is boiling. You can see the smoke coming out. You know I'm using cotton material, so this iron hardly burn your clothes. But if this is silk or a very light material, you go ahead and cover it with lining. Cover the stones, like after placing the stone, put lining on top of it before you place the iron so it won't burn. But for this iron, it hardly burn your clothes. So now when you put it, the iron is already heating. You can see what I'm doing. When you place the iron on top of the stone, you go ahead and press that button by the right. Press it. When you press it, you see that smoke coming out. You hold it still. You can see what I'm doing, like I'm doing so. Go ahead and hold the iron for a little time. This doesn't take time at all. Highest few seconds, you remove it. Just few seconds. Like this way. Then press that button. You can see the smoke coming out. It's as easy as that. It's even very easy to use, more than the stoning machine. Trust me, that stoning machine, when you use it, it will burn your hands, it will burn your finger if you are not careful. But iron is very easy, very, very easy to use. So guys, I'm done pressing this. You can see, use your hand and feel the material to make sure that the stones are not going out. You can see it's already sticked on the dress. It's not going out. Like, this is very, very simple and very easy to use. Very, very simple. You can see it. So now I know you'll be wondering, what if you don't have steam iron? Yes, if you don't have steam iron, you can do it. After putting the stones on the dress, you go ahead and sprinkle water. Sprinkle water on the dress, on top of the stone. Then plug your local iron and allow it to heat a little. Then press it on top of that material. When you press it, you see that smoke coming out because of the water there. Once that smoke is coming out, trust me, it's already done. It's just as simple as that. If you watch this video till this end, thank you very much. Please help me subscribe to my channel, like this video, and turn on your notification button. Thank you.